Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, in today's video I'll be taking you through the latest update on the Memefi airdrop. Okay, so before we dive into this video, please, I will quickly want to say an apology to my subscribers. I'm sorry guys for not posting video for the past 3 days now, or for the past 2 days now. I've not been updating you guys. I'm very sorry about that. I've just been tied up with one or two things. All right, so anyway, let's dive into this video. All right, first of all, let's check the last update. Okay, all right, before now they brought this update. He brought this update. They said concerning winning Lamborghini and all that. Okay, so the update I'm going to be showing you guys is this particular one. All right, now he said Memefi X Binance campaign in huge price we trust. All right, so the timer to the campaign starts is already ticking. Check in the app Memefi coin bot. All right, so I said the event will offer mind-bending price you don't want to miss out on. All right, so the event of the Binance campaign will offer mind-bending price. All right, now the mind-bending price we are talking about is a surprising reward. All right, a shocking reward. If you see from the beginning, it says in huge price we trust. All right, and the campaign says has already started on the Binance, and you can find the timer in the app. All right, and now it's saying that the event will offer, that means it has not started, will offer mind-bending price. All right, a very surprise and a shocking price. All right, you don't want to miss. All right, so you don't want to miss. So the price, the reward, all right, the reward you are going to get from the event will be the kind that you don't want to miss. All right, so maybe they can come up with something very, very enticing that would encourage or almost eager everybody to participate on the event. All right, so that is what they are trying to say here, so you guys should watch out for it. Say it's important. All right, it is important. So you may, as much as is going to be mind bending and very attractive for you to participate on, you still don't want to participate on the event, they are saying now that the event is going to be important and it's important that you participate. All right, so say complete the campaign on Monday, see you there. All right, which is next on Monday, which is next tomorrow. Okay, so huge price coming, so you can see from the huge price coming. So when you log into the app, you see that there have been a lot of things happening in the app. Okay, now these are some of the things you don't want to miss out on. Okay, get 15,000 spins really cheap for 1,100 stars. Then get 25 million of Memefi token plus 500 batteries, all right, on Tone. Okay, just to perform some transaction. All right, I've been trying to get some Tone to put on my account so that I can perform this transaction, but it's been difficult for me. All right, so that is that. So, and with that I would have been able to upgrade my level. All right, so you can see there are so many things for us to do here. These are the ones I believe are very, very important. All right, they have a lot of role to play, okay, in the allocating of your token. Okay, they have a lot of role to play. As you can see, they are beeping. All right, so this one is the battery where you can spin and then get some a reward, probably help you even upgrade your level. Okay, and here is for that price for you to just do some transaction on Tone blockchain, so that you get this bonus by connecting your wallet. And then this one is the Binance update they were telling us about, and it's just remaining 1 day and 19 hours 30 minutes to go. Stay tuned. All right, Memefi X Binance campaign in huge price we trust. Okay, this is what they were talking about just now. Okay, so there is other campaign that is going on here, whereby 29,352 USD in giveaway. All right, and you need 50 tickets to participate. Okay, you need 50 tickets to participate in this giveaway. There is already 400 people on this what's it called. So all you gotta do is to get this ticket. All right, to get this ticket, you just have to come to this place, this battery, hit on that battery, and then keep spinning. The more you spin, all right, as you spin, you'll be getting some tickets from this place. All right, you'll be getting some tickets from this place. Are you getting it? So when you get some tickets up to 50, then you will now be qualified for the giveaway. Okay, it doesn't really mean necessarily mean that you might win. All right, it doesn't mean that you just get the reward. Okay, it just a qualification to join the campaign. It doesn't mean that you really get from it. So if you are lucky that you win, okay, fine, enjoy. Okay, so there are also other things you can do that will just earn you something. All right, so that is it, guys. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new video. All right, if you have not connected your wallet, please do so. Okay, I have not connected my wallet. That is why I have not been able to transfer my token to this okay, so I really do not understand what is happening with my Memefi. All right, for more than almost a month, I was not able to log into my Memefi account until recently. I don't know what happened until recently. If not, I would have passed this level. Okay, I would have been maybe level 10 or 15, between 10 to 15. But for like a month, I was not able to log in. I was wondering maybe they logged some people out of the game, but still, I was surprised I'm able to log in even now. So, alright, guys, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.